Hello and welcome to Leadership Emotional Development, LLC. This is the first core-level workshop from our Systems Theory group, specially designed for leaders of all industries. This workshop will give you the principles of systems theory and will introduce the challenges found in complex environments, so you can understand, adapt, and apply them to your own surroundings, experience them within your own networks, and become a better leader with the team you lead at your workplace. Introduction. Leadership is observed in a complex system when actions or communications of one or more agents, called leader agents, can be shown to adopt an approach or cooperation strategy for working towards a common objective. A leader agent is said to influence other agents, called followers, when it offers a set of choices, tasks, and resources, together constituting a program of action within the collective that is adopted by the followers. When this occurs, the individual actions of the followers and the leader become intercorrelated, and that is when they begin to act as a system. Once the system begins operating and new demands take off, a new approach to structuring organizations with new complex systems and new environments will begin. Using the process of systems thinking, mental modeling, and relational dynamics, leaders will analyze their organizations and develop tools to better understand how complex systems dynamics operate in their environment. Systems fundamentals. General systems theory is a name which has come into use to describe a level of theoretical model building, which lies somewhere between the highly generalized constructions of pure mathematics and the specific theories of networks composition. Networks are made from a group of people called agents, or elements, that are linked by relationships among themselves. These networks become a system once the element's behavior, among the elements, is established and the procedures are adopted. We will look at these behaviors later in the workshop. Systems may be natural, such as the universe, the solar systems, the planets; social, organizations, communities, and families; or artificial, such virtual groups, artificial life, and artificial societies. Systems archetypes. Systems archetypes are patterns of behavior found in many of our systems. Systems are expressed here by circles of causality, and they are of similar structure. Identifying a system archetype and finding the leverage enables efficient changes in a system is the responsibility of the leaders. The basic idea of systems thinking is that every action triggers a reaction. In system dynamics, this reaction is called feedback. Sometimes a feedback or reaction does not occur immediately because the process contains delays. A systems process graph is set up here with circles of causality, which aid to visualize how different variables in a system are interrelated, and which includes actions, feedback, and delays occurs. According to our system loop model, the plan is put in place by executing it from the circle to the left to the circle on the right. This is shown here as the current state. Once the plan is on the right, the process goes back from the right circle to the left circle, indicating here a new current action being returned with the corrected information in the form of feedback to take corrective action. Here, one can adjust and correct the original plan. All this process takes time, therefore expect some delays. Remember that archetypes may interfere with this process. Leaders must be aware of this by analyzing the feedback and adjusting the plan accordingly. If no corrective action is taken, the consequences then will limit the leader's success. However, if the leader takes a corrective action, the burden would be block, and the plan will be on the way to success. Time to make a difference. Always remember, change drives progress. So begin by taking the first 5 steps. 1. As a leader, start by immersing yourself in your organization's long-term vision for success. Get involved with the key players of modernization and progress. 2. Put your organizational change management into action by transforming people to a different way of thinking, working, and acting to achieve desired business outcomes. 3. Get your stakeholders engaged by supporting your initiatives with strong proving trends and data from your organization's controllers. 4. Be in constant communication with your stakeholders and remind them of the perfect blend. Technology and automation done right will provide sustainability at minimum cost. And 5. Implement competencies modeling to management change mindset and encourage them to learn about the benefits of emotional intelligence as their baseline leadership program for safety prevention and a world-class workforce. Do not forget, we're here for you. If you have any questions about this workshop or on any leadership issue, please send us a note from our website located at www.leadershipemotionaldevelopment.com or send us an email at led.management.consultants@gmail.com. As always, for your immediate needs, please call us at 803-881-8066 or 540-435-6964.